Hey there, Reggie here over at Awesome Chevy Buick in Chehalis. Today we're going to be doing a how-to video on how to set the cruise control on your Chevy Silverado. To toggle your cruise control on and off, it's going to be this button here. And once your cruise control is on, the indicator light will also come up on your info display down here. And once you get up to speed, all you're going to do is just like your normal cruise control, you're going to hit the set button, which is right there. You're going to pull that down and your cruise control will be set, and your indicator light will turn green, showing that your cruise control is engaged. If you need to slow down, you can do that directly from your steering wheel by pulling down, or if you need to speed up, you can do the same thing by pushing up on that button there. And to disengage, it's as simple as hitting the cancel button right there. That will disengage your cruise control, and again, you can toggle it on and off from here at any time. So there you can see cruise control is on, and when you toggle it off, it goes away. And that will turn green once your cruise control is actually set. Thanks for watching the video. If you found it helpful, please like and subscribe. And my name is Reggie over here at Awesome Chevy Buick in Chehalis.